Next one. Satish, yes, it is a research and teacher should be a good researcher rather than a substitute to the solution key of R.S. Agarwal textbook, right? Next one. For example, please write down 7 by 9. What is the maximum number of digits it will get? Maximum number of digits repeated in a block. Maximum number of digits repeated in a block. Maximum number of digits repeated in a block. 5 by 49. 13 by 121. Please write down. All these are recurring values. All these are recurring values. What we are doing is, we are finding the periodicity or the cyclicity. Both are synonyms. Periodicity or the cyclicity. Maximum number of digits. Maximum number of digits repeated. What is the maximum number of digits repeated? Maximum number of digits repeated. I hope it is clear. Now please find out all these three. All these three please find out. All these three please find out. Now it will be very clear. Right after the class, not a single doubt you can get it in fractions and decimals. You will be able to solve these questions very clear. Very, very clear. Sai Kiran, let me complete it. You are asking something at the beginning of the class. As I said, watch the entire movie. If you get doubts, at the end of that you can ask. Right? P1 power n. So you can also take, first I took the numbers where the power is an even number, then the power will be an odd number. Just to hold on. 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square. So 9 into 2 by 3. Maximum number of digits repeated is 6. 49 is 7 square. 49 into 6 by 7, which is nothing but 42. 121 is 11 square. Power is an even number I took. Then I will take some other number into 11 by 10. 110. The maximum number of digits repeated in this block is 6. And it is 42. And it is 110. Now we will take power, some odd number. First I took a power even number. First I took a power even number. Sai, I will discuss everything. I have a complete in-depth understanding of this topic. I can also predict the questions that you might ask. You might be listening to this class for the first time. I have been taking this number system from last 15 plus years, taking close to 250 plus batches. Now let us take some more examples. 13 by 27. 231 by 343 or 191 divided by 243. You can do anything. 27 is 3 cube. 27 into 2 by 3. 3 nines are maximum number of digits repeated in this block, 18. 343 is 7 cube. 343 into 6 by 7. I will get the answer, right? 191 by 243. 243 is 3 power 5. So 243 into 2 by 3. I hope the idea is clear. Listen carefully to every key point at the end of the class. When I ask you to ask doubts, at the time ask. Kindly do not ask in the middle of the topic. It will create a confusion for you and it will create a confusion to other students reading your doubt. Kindly wait. Kindly wait. That is the reason I said in an important key point. Watch the entire lecture. After the lecture, I will ask you a question whether you got any doubts. Most likely you will not have any doubts. Please remember, do not forget, numerator and denominator should be co-prime to each other. Should be co-prime to each other. Should be co-prime to each other. Case 1, I hope it is clear. Case 1, what are all these? Maximum number of repeating digits. It could be less also. This will give you maximum number of repeating digits. Maximum number of repeating digits. 18 digits maximum, after which it will not happen. Maximum number of repeating digits. Now please write down an example. Write down an example. Maximum number of repeating digits. Now why I said maximum number? Suppose if I say, Rakesh, for you, 2 power 6 divided by 9, it is 1. 2 power 6 divided by 9, it is 1. I hope it is clear. Or let me take two examples. 4 power 6 divided by 7, it is 1. It is 1. Now see here, 9 is nothing but 3 square. 9 into 2 by 3, which is 6. At 6 exactly it is 1. At 7, 7 is 7 power 1. 7 into 6 by 7. At 6 exactly it is 1. When I say exactly at this value it is 1, before that one it may or may not be. If I take the factors of 6, 4 cube by 7, it is 1. It is giving you 1. If I take the factors of 6, 2 cube by 9, it is giving you minus 1. So, if it is giving you maximum number, less than maximum number, sometimes it may be, sometimes it may not be. You cannot define that this will definitely be. But definitely you can define that maximum number of repeating digits in this block will be based upon P1 power n into 1 minus 1 by P1. P1 power n into 1 minus 1 by P1. I hope the idea is clear. Before that it may or may not be. What is case 2? Case 2. Case 2. If the number is of the form P1 power n into P2 power n. First we will do it for 2, then we will extend it. What we will do is, first take the maximum number of repeating digits for this. P1 power n into P1 minus 1 by P1. Take the maximum number of digits for this. P2 power n is 1 minus 1 by P2. This both should come together and some common number should be there. Common multiple of this number is nothing but LCM. Are you all with me? It is LCM. For example, 1 by 21. Question is, what is the maximum number of repeating digits in this block? What is the maximum number of repeating digits in this block? 21 is nothing but 3 into 7. So the first case is 3 into 2 by 3, which is 2. 2 digits are repeated. 7 cases, 7 into 6 by 7, which is 6 digits are repeated. 2 digits, 6 digits. What is the LCM? 6 digits. So how many maximum number of repeating digits will be there? It is 6 digits. It is 6 digits. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in case if you got any digits. Any digits. Any digits. In case if you are watching it on the mobile, just for a curiosity to check whether Anil sir is right or wrong, is he teaching correct or not, right? You please go out and check 1 by 21. 1 by 21 should give you answer 0.047619. This will be repeated. Please kindly check it out. Please kindly check it out. My research will not go wrong. Right? Please check it out. Kindly check it out for a clarity. Use calculator and check it out. 1 by 21 is 0.047619. I teach with an absolute clarity on the subject. That is how 2000, 3000, 4000 students will sit in the class, and I can magnetize each and every one with absolute silence, cross-questioning questions. There was a class where I used to teach when I was the South India of Career Launcher, right? There is a class of 120. The lowest IIT All India ranker is 1 and the highest All India ranker is 732. Possibly I am the only teacher who can conduct CAT classes in all the best technical universities all over the world. If it is an ordinary engineering college, they have to pay me 2.5 lakhs for me to take a class for 6 hours. I am one of the costliest teachers in mathematics, whether it is schools or the colleges, whether it is inviting me to Institute of Statistical Institute. Idea clear? Praveen, I hope the idea is clear. Few more examples. 17 by 105. Please write down. 17 by 105. 23 by 68. Create your own questions. 19 by 171. 19 by 171. Please write down this question and try to solve. 17 by 105. 17 by 105. These all the fractions should be in its simplest form. 19 ones are 19 nines are 1 by 9. 9 is nothing but 3 square. So 9 into 2 by 3, which is 6. Maximum number of repeated digits. Most of the teachers also don't teach this. What they do, 0.34 convert into fraction. 5 minutes they will take the class. That is their understanding of the subject, and you enroll, you pay 10,000, 20,000 and enroll for that classes and think, why am I not clearing in the first attempt? You are not clearing in the first attempt because you do not have a right teacher. You are not clearing the first attempt because you do not have a good subject knowledge. You are not clearing the exam because your subject knowledge is poor, or the way you are learning is completely incorrect. Go to Google and learn physics from water level. Go and learn physics from a local teacher. You will see the difference. 105. 105 is 3 into 5 into 7. So 3 will give me 2. 5 will give me 4. 7 will give me 6. LCM of 2, 4, 6. 12 digits it will be repeated. 12 digits it will be repeated. 68 is 2 square into 17 power 1. 17 is 16. 4 into 1 by 2, 2. 2 and 16. Maximum number of repeated digits is 16. 9 is 6. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you. How to determine terminating? Terminating means the denominator should be a prime number, 2, 5 or both. First condition. Recurring is if the denominator, I will put it in a new slide once I get yes in the reply live chat. Is it clear? I want each and every viewer to kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. This is exactly why you should enroll with my classes, and the best part is quantitative aptitude. All the topics are taken by me. All the topics are taken by me. I am sure my old students knows it, but I will repeat it again. Such a good questions we are going to solve it, sir. I am starting an algebra package. I am starting an algebra course, complete algebra package. We are going to start the class from tomorrow. Algebra, all the classes are taken by me. All the classes will be there in live classes format. You will see it in either in the web or in the mobile app. Total algebra only I will discuss 100 plus hours. 800 plus questions I will discuss. Complete coverage of topics I will give you. These are the topics which I am going to discuss. These are the topics which I am going to discuss. These are all the topics I am going to discuss. Complete in depth. In case if any student want, you can go for any of these package. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. 1 month, 3 months. These classes will not happen on YouTube live. You will not get the class link. You will get the class link in our website. My enrolled students knows it. If you ask me, every student who is watching the viewer, you should definitely enroll for this package in case if you want to learn the actual algebra. In case if you want my old number system package, you can also go for this. Kindly take a screenshot of this, sir. 1 month, 3 months. The batch is starting tomorrow. Very ordinary price. Only at 500 rupees. When the classes will happen? Classes will happen every weekday. Evening 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. Every weekday 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. and weekend it will be 4 hours. Within 5 weeks we will complete every topic of algebra. Weekday 2 hours means 6 into 2, 12 and plus weekend is 4 hours. 16 hours per week. 16 hours I will take. Sorry sir, it is 4 hours every day. 6 days is 24 plus 4. 28 hours in a week. 28 hours in a week. 4 to 5 weeks. You will be extremely good in algebra. What you have to do is, you have to WhatsApp this number after the class. In case if you want to enroll, 8050067891. The algebra is starting tomorrow. Complete algebra package is starting tomorrow. You can watch a few classes in web and the mobile app freely for tomorrow. Tomorrow it is on web and mobile app in case my team implements it. If they are not implementing the new features, we will have the class in live. But from Monday onwards, everything will be in web or mobile app. 1 month, 3 months. 90% of the students who purchased went for this because they want to revise it. Please take a screenshot of this. In case if you want the previous number system of 100 hours, special offer we are giving it at 2000 for a 3 months validity. Number system 100 hours, algebra 100 hours. Interested students, you can WhatsApp me after the class. If you like my way of teaching, if you want to learn the concept, please enroll with me. Do not enroll in case if you think that, sir, I will get this content in YouTube somewhere. Tell me one video in YouTube where somebody taught you how to find out the maximum number of repeating digits. I want to know, right? You think the great teachers will keep everything freely? Oh, please give me a break. You think Shah Rukh dances freely? You think CEOs spends their time, they have so much free time, they sit and do a lot of free time? Please give a break, sir. Most of the teachers whom you are teaching are youngsters. You are listening to an author of a book. Now see here. I hope it is clear. Now we will write a point. Numerator and denominator. Please write this point. Numerator and denominator. Right? If the HCF of numerator and denominator, it is 1. That means first thing, numerator and denominator should be co-prime to each other. If they are co-prime to each other, if the denominator is power of, please write down this one, sir, 2 comma 5 are both, then I will get terminating decimal. Then I will get terminating decimal. If the denominator is not power of 2 comma 5 or both, then I will get a recurring decimal. Anything which violates any one out of these two is called as non-terminating or non-recurring. Right? Non-terminating and non-recurring. After this class will be made private and it will be given to enrolled students. Non-enrolled students, in case if you want to learn the subject, you have to purchase and do it. Anything that comes freely, we do not have value for it. Something you get freely, you don't respect it. If Papa gives you 100 rupees without telling you the sweat that he has gone to earn 100 rupees, a child will not understand the value of that 100 rupees. If a mother is sitting and watching a TV and a kid says, Amma, go and get a glass of water, if a mother does not slap the child and tell, right, do you know I wake up early in the morning before you get up and I sleep late in the evening, go and get your glass of water. The child will not respect mother's sweat equity. Each one of us should understand and respect other people's hard work, right? If you do hard work, then you will understand it. And I am telling to you, sir, each one of you, try to respect the other people's knowledge, skill and the talent. Skill, you will work in a job and you will not work freely. That means for you there is one rule. I want to become a bank PO officer. Let SBI does not give you a zero rupee salary. Work for 2 years, 3 years. You please do charity when you first take care of yourself. First take care of family. First take care of the society in which you are a part of it. Warren Buffett did not give a charity until he created a $1 billion company. The people who do charity are the people who got more than what is required and crossed 3 stages. Myself, my family, my support. Anybody who is doing beyond it is considered to be a demigod in society. I am not a god in society. I am a simple human being who has got employees to support, who has got families to support. Simple and straightforward. Want to learn from me? Pay. Otherwise, don't learn. Next one. I hope the concept is clear. Now we will solve few questions. I will come back. I am more interested in teaching you very, very good questions. Now see here, sir. 9 by 14. Now see here. What generally students will do is traditional method. Method 1. Traditional method. Method 1. Traditional method. Such an method 9 by 14. 9 by 14 into 100. 250s are 2 7s are 450 divided by 7. Do the division. Stupid method, idiotic method, school method which will not result. You are not doing any logic here. Method 2. ANIL NAIR's method. If you ask me how I will solve this question, ANIL NAIR's method. 14 is 2 into 7. 2 into 1 by 2. 7 into 6 by 7. 1 and 6. LCM is 6. Maximum number of repeating digits. Maximum number of repeating digits should be 6. Repeating digits. It should be 6. It is 7. Option is 3. This will take 10 seconds. For 10 seconds for computing this. Method 3. ANIL NAIR's way of logic. Another way of logic. ANIL NAIR's way of logic. Method 2. Method 1 is generic division. Method 2 is what we discussed right now. 14 is 2 into 7. 2 into 1 by 2, 7 into 6 by 7. It is 1 and 6. Maximum number of repeating digits will be 6. 9 by 14. See here, sir. 5 seconds approach. 14 is 2 into 7. 2 is terminating, 7 is recurring. If terminating multiplied by recurring, it will be a combination of terminating plus recurring. Terminating plus recurring. Simple. 5 seconds you will get the answer. Answer is option C. It is nothing but 14 is 2 into 7. 2 is nothing but terminating. 7 is nothing but recurring. Answer should be a combination of terminating and recurring. This is only terminating. This is only terminating. This is only recurring. So answer is terminating plus recurring. I hope the idea is clear. A 1 minute problem is converted into a 5-second problem if you think logically like ANIL NAIR. I am here to tell aptitude through a prism never seen before. 14 is 7 into 1. Option B and C is not the same, Ananya. How it is the same? You have not read the question properly. Are these the same? 0.64 28571 bar 0.6 428571. Please see the question carefully. Maybe you got confused. So this is terminating plus recurring. Terminating plus recurring. Option is C. I hope it is clear. Logical question, sir. Logical question. 1 by 10 by 18, 10 by 81. 10 by 81. 10 by 81 is 10 by 3 power 4, which is nothing but 10 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. If the denominator is a prime number other than 2 and 5, then it will become a recurring decimal. Then it will become a recurring decimal. Are you all with me? Then it becomes a recurring decimal. This is terminating. This is terminating. This is terminating. This is a stupid question. You don't need to solve it. If I convert into recurring, I will explain it in my next class, but I will write down. This is nothing but divided by 368. 368. 3, 6 and 8. This is the value. This is 10 by 81. Where it is matching, sir? 1 into 8 unit digit is 8. 0 into 9 it is 0. This cannot be the answer. Answer is D. Again a 5 seconds approach. Again a 5 seconds approach. 81 is 3 into 4. Denominator is any prime number other than 2 and 5. If the denominator is any prime number other than 2 and 5, it is a recurring decimal. Option A and B, it is out. Option A and B, it is out. I hope it is clear. So it is 81. 81 into, right, 1 minus 1 by 81. 80 by 81. So I got 80. I got 80. So any factors of 80 will give you answer. So 8 is a factor and 10 is a factor. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I convert into decimal, which will be our next class, bar is present on all the digits divided by 8 digits. These 10 by 81. 0 into 9 is 0. 1 into 8 is 8. Unit digit is not matching. This is eliminated. These two are eliminated. Answer over. Next one. Some logical questions which we will solve, sir. See here. N is 0.369369 and so on. M is 1 by 0.531531. Forget about all these values. If I take N equivalent to 0.3 and M equivalent to 0.5, 1 by N, 1 by 0.3 plus 1 by 0.5, answer will be greater than this value. Greater than, it is nothing but 10 by 3. This is nothing but 10 by 2. It is nothing but 6. It is 20 plus. I hope it is clear, right? 1 by 0.3 plus 1 by 0.5. 10 by 3 plus 10 by 2. So 6, 20, 30, which is 50 by 6, which is 25 by 3, which is 25 by 3. Are you all with me? 1 by n plus 1 by m, 1 by 0.3 plus 1 by 0.5. Answer will be greater than this value, 10 by 3 plus 10 by 2. Here I am getting a numerator greater than denominator. Numerator greater than denominator. It is not 1 point. Numerator less than denominator. Numerator less than denominator. Numerator greater than denominator. I hope the logic is clear. I hope it is clear. Directly I can say that 1 by 0.3 plus 1 by 0.5. In case if you want, I will solve it again. These approximated to 0.3. This is approximated to 0.5. So 0.53, m is greater than 0.53. m is greater than 0.5. Am I right? n is greater than 0.3. You don't need to solve 1 by n plus 1 by m. 1 by 0.3 plus 1 by 0.5. 1 by 0.5 itself is greater than 2. This is 1 by 0.3 is greater than 3. Answer should be greater than 5. Numerator should be greater than denominator. You don't need to find that one also. Numerator less, numerator less. It is 1.1 something. A 5 seconds approach if you understand this one. I hope it is clear. N is 0.369369. Can I say 0.369 is greater than 0.3? So just by looking at a question, I can say that n is greater than 0.3. 0.531531, it is greater than 0.5. m is greater than 0.5. 1 by m, 1 by 0.5, 2, 1 by 0.3, it is 3. Answer is greater than 3 plus 2, 5. Answer is greater than 5. That means numerator greater than denominator. A out, C out. Numerator is 1 point something, that is out. So answer for this question is D. Answer for this question is D. Priya and Ananya, kindly tell me exactly what is your doubt. If you say it is not clear, I will not understand what exactly is not clear. Please write down your doubt. Please don't keep closed-ended sentences. It will be difficult for me. I hope this idea is clear. Next one, m is 0.1 square 0.1. Yesterday we discussed. Anil Nair's approach. Yesterday I discussed. Use digital sum. Use digital sum. Use digital sum. This is method 1. Method 2, approximation. Method 2, approximation. Both of them will try to give you the eliminating method 2. If I take all this, if I remove all this, m plus n is nothing but 0.4. Answer is greater than 0.4. Option D out, option C out. If you take one more value, 0.1 plus 0.01, n is 0.3 plus 0.00009. From there you will get the answer. Answer is nothing but 0.41 and something. That something value you can determine. Take the 2 or 3 values. Take the 2 or 3 values. Take the 2 or 3 values. Right? Now use a digital sum. What is the digital sum? M is nothing but digital sum is sum of the digits until you get a single digit number. It is 1. Next is 1. Don't forget about the digits. It is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. N is delete the right 2 options. It is 1, this is 9. You can delete the digits whose sum is 9. It is nothing but 3. M plus n should give me 6. M plus n should give me 6. First option. First option is nothing but this option only. Similarly, 111 will come. This is not digital sum 6. Again I am telling you, if the series is given, sir, why are you approximating it? Why I should not approximate, you tell me, sir. 0.1 square is 0.01. 0.01 is very small compared to 0.1. 0.01 is very small compared to 1. 0.009. The second value is a diminishing value. So I can eliminate it. I can eliminate it. From here, approximation will give you, or digital sum will give you, right? M will give you 0.1 digital sum is 1. 0.1 square digital sum is 1. Delete the digits. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. It is deleted. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. N will become 3. So answer is M plus N 6. So option A is the right answer. These conversion, if it is your doubt, if it is conversion is your doubt, how you told this I am going to discuss in my next class. Please watch the next class. There are enough problems how to convert the recurring into decimal. How to convert the recurring into decimal. Ananya and Priya, I am going to explain it in the next class why it is 6 nines. I hope this logic is clear. This logic is clear. Next one. Like that, you can solve a lot of problems. See here, A is 0.1039. So square root of 4. Square root. This is nothing but, this can be is nothing but 1 minus 2a minus 1 or 1 minus 2a. Because 2a minus 1 whole square is 4a square minus 4a plus 1. I hope it is clear. So this is nothing but 1 minus 4a plus 4a square. Change in the order, I will get this value. So this is nothing but 5a minus 1, and next one is 1 plus a. 1 plus a. I hope it is clear. 5a minus 1. But 5a minus 1 is not possible. 5a minus 1 is not possible. A is 0.1. 5 into 0.1 minus 1. 0.5 minus 1, it is a negative value. So answer is 1 plus a. I got, for this value I got 2a minus 1 or 1 minus 2a. 2a minus 1 plus 3a. 5a minus 1 or 1 minus 2a plus 3a. It is 1 plus a. 1 plus 1. 1.1039. 1.1039. Are you all with me? I hope the logic is clear. I hope the logic is clear. You can also use a digital sum to get the answer. You can also use a digital sum to get the answer. I hope the idea is clear, right? This question. Next one. 2a minus 1 or 2a plus 1. 2a minus 1 square is 4a square minus 4a plus 1. 1 minus 2a whole square is 1 minus 4a plus 5 square. 2a minus 1 or 1 minus 2a. 2a minus 1 plus 3a, which is a plus 1, which is 5a minus 1. A is 0.1. 5 into 0.1 minus 1 is, right, negative. It cannot be negative, right? So the answer is positive. Why it cannot be negative? Two important points. Note, most of the students will do this mistake. First point, 3 square is 9. Minus 3 square is 9. But if I do square root of 9, it is just 3. Square root always gives positive value as output. Square root always gives positive value as output. Square root always gives positive value as output. So this is positive, this is positive. Answer should be positive. That is the reason when I got 5a minus 1, a is 0.1, minus 1 is negative. It cannot be negative. So 5a minus 1 is omitted. So this is 1 minus 2a plus 3a, which is 1 plus a, which is 1 plus a. I hope the idea is clear. 1.1031, 1.1039. I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. Next one. Right, Karan says, what if there are two options? If there are two options, there is one more method to solve. After I discuss these divided by 5 nines, I will discuss. If the doubt is good, definitely I will discuss. Cube the root of 0.037. Okay, this also I will discuss because I need to tell by 9. Now I will do. Now, please see here, sir. Do not miss any of the algebra classes. Algebra, there are 4 kinds of problems that will come in algebra. Right? First is question contains, please write down. Question contains variables. Answer contains numerical values. First method, question contains variables. Answer contains variables. Third method, question contains numerical values. Answer contains variables. Fourth question, model, question contains numerical value. Answer contains numerical value. All the students who have enrolled for our CAT package, these are our #1 selling course. Anybody who wants all the topics in detail from the starting to the end, 700 hours of video content, they generally go for CAT, or in case if you have enrolled for bank or SSCR placements, right, we will solve close to 350 plus questions based upon this model. From Monday onwards, only the students who have enrolled can see the classes, right? Tomorrow it is may or may not be. There are 4 questions that will come in algebra. Question contains variables, answer contains numerical values. Question variable, answer variable. Question numerical values, answer variables. Question numerical values, answer numerical values. Answer numerical values. Answer numerical values. Now this is a question of question contains numerical values. Question contains numerical values. Answer options contain variables. One value, such value, which I will do it. Now see here. So substitute. The best method to solve this question is substitute. If I substitute n equivalent to 2, this will become 0.4 plus 0.44, which is 0.84. Substitute n equivalent to 2 in options. Substitute n equivalent to 2 in options. 4 by 9 into n2. 9 2s are 18, 18 minus 1, 17 minus 1 by 10 square is 100. Check it out which option is giving you the option. I hope it is clear. Substitute n equivalent to 2. Substitute n equivalent to 2. I hope it is clear. Any doubts, please ask me. Any doubt? Or otherwise best is substitute n equivalent to 1. 4 by 81 into n1, 9 minus 1, 8, plus 1 by 10. 81 cancel 4. Directly n equivalent to 1. You don't need to do n equivalent to 2. We are unnecessarily complicating our calculations. Start with n equivalent to 1. Directly you got the answer. If I substitute n equivalent to 1, 4 by 81 into 8 plus 1 by 10, 81. 81 cancel, 4 by 10 is 0.4. Substitute n equivalent to 1, most likely 99% n equivalent to 1 will give you 2 options. That's the reason I started with n equivalent to 2. But if you are getting, that itself is the first option. That itself is the first option. I hope the logic is clear to you. I hope the logic is clear to you.